Hello and welcome to Oclef Kinder. My name is Mr. Piano. Today we're going to be looking at five-finger scales: A major, E major, and B major. Let's start with our right hand thumb on A above middle C. Your fifth finger will be on A below middle C. So left hand thumb is on E, right hand thumb is on A. They're a fourth apart. We start on A, step up to B, 3 is adjusted to C sharp, D, E, and back down. In measure 3, we skip up from A to C sharp, both finger 3, to E, back down to C sharp, and A. In the last measure, we play 1, 3, and 5 in both hands at the same time. Let's try this scale a little faster. Let's practice the right hand separately. Left hand. Both hands. Our next scale is E major. Right hand thumb starts on E above middle C. 2 and 3 are adjusted to F sharp and G sharp. Left hand thumb is on B below middle C. So they're a fourth apart, starting on E, stepping up to F sharp, stepping up to G sharp in both third fingers, A, B, and back down. Great, let's play the right hand by itself. Play the left hand. Play both hands. Great, we're going to move to our last scale for today, B major. We'll start with our right hand thumb on B below middle C, left hand thumb on F sharp below middle C, and 5 is on B. Starting on B, step up to C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, and back down. Great, let's try that same scale, right hand only. Left hand only. Both hands. As always, thank you so much for joining Oclef Kinder. Practice these scales, and we'll see you next time. Happy practicing.